Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mustafa, and in this video I'll guide you through the process of building a landing page for a product using WordPress and Elementor. But if you don't know what is a landing page, basically a landing page is a web page specifically designed with a clear and focused goal in mind, such as capturing a lead, making a sale, or promoting a specific product or service. And in this video, we are going to build a specific landing page for a hair trimmer. However, if you are a beginner or an experienced user, you are going to learn something new and valuable. If you have any web design project and you want me to be a part in, be sure to check my Upwork profile, the link in the description below. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'll give you a free template to download and apply it on your website. Let's head over to the dashboard and let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to install the plugins we need. Click Add New and search for Elementor. This is the page builder we're going to use to build this landing page. Wait until it installs. Okay, and then click Activate. Once you do that, just go back and add this plugin, Elementor Header Footer Builder, and activate it. And just go back and install this plugin, Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Okay, and activate it. Just go back and search for custom fonts. And this is the plugin we're going to use. Just click install and activate. Okay, these are all the plugins we're going to use. No premium theme or premium plugin, just only free resources. Okay, the second thing we need here is to install a theme. Just head over to Appearance and Themes and remove these useless themes. I call them useless because nobody uses them. Add New and search for Astro. There is, but let's just search Astro. Okay, this is the theme. Click Install. And activate and remove this theme. Okay, these are all the things we need to build this website. I've already built an asset in Adobe XD. This is the landing page in Adobe XD. As you can see, I'm going to build this in Elementor and I'll show you how. Okay, let's head over to Appearance and let's create the navigation or the header first. As you can see, the top part of the website. Let's go to the website and let's go to Appearance, and then first to go to menus. Okay, the second part we need to do is to build the pages we need. For today we need the home page, but we'll create these others pages, as you can see here, about and shop, but we're not going to build this pages for now. Okay, oops. Okay, just head over and type home or landing page, wherever you want. Landing page. Okay, click publish and then go back and create these others pages like about. And shop. If you are using WooCommerce, it will already appear there, but we'll just create it. Okay, hit refresh, and these are the pages we need to use. Now we need to create the menu of our navigation. Just head over to appearance and then menus. Okay, let's call it main menu. Let's check these boxes, create menu. Okay, now let's add these pages to our menu. Let's select the landing page and about, and then shop. Click add to menu. Let's drag this to the top. Let's drag about to here. Okay, let's make sure that we have the same order. It's always better to put the home or the landing page on the first, on the top. Save menu. Okay, that's all we need here. Let's just go to media library. Let's import our pictures and stuff. Okay, these are the images we are going to use. Let's select them. And let's wait until they upload. Okay, this is the logo we're going to use. Let's go and create the header. Let's go to appearance and then Elementor footer and header. Let's click add new, skip. Okay, let's call it header. Let's select header over here. Go and select display on entire site. Let's make sure that this header displays on all the pages. Okay, these boxes or fields doesn't matter, just click publish. Once you do that, go and click edit with Elementor. Now we are actually building this the top here, this part. Okay, let's create it. We need two columns, one for the logo and one for the navigation. Okay, so after we drop the columns, just go and select image and drop this widget image over here on the left side. Then select the logo, your logo of course. Once you do that, you need to adjust the width to make sure that it's smaller a little bit to make it suitable. Okay, we need to align the logo to the left like that. Now it looks better. Okay, once you do that, just go and search for nav. This widget will pop up. Just drag it over here. And then this is the navigation. Just click to the container or the column and select middle, align vertical align to the middle and horizontal align to center, or just click over here, layout, and center this navigation. Okay, just go to style, select some black color and adjust the font. Let's say popping. This is the most famous font that people usually use. Okay, let's see if the header is mobile responsive. It's responsive for tablet view. Okay, let's just click here. Let's adjust this hamburger menu to the right. Okay, to actually align this hamburger menu to the right, just click here and go to layouts and then select it over here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, to make this header looks whole 50% for the logo and 50% for the hamburger menu, just click here and let's write 50% and then click here and select 50%. This logo looks a little bit smaller. Click into it, go to style and adjust the logo until it's suitable. Okay, now it looks cool. Just click update and let's go to the navigator or select the whole column and let's change the color because here, as you can see, it's in black. Let's select black. But as you can see, the hamburger menu doesn't look great. It doesn't appear, the hamburger menu, because of the color. Let's just click here to adjust the color. Go to style. Now just go to menu, trigger, close, and then select the color. Okay, and then click update. Now we have successfully created our header. Okay. Okay, once you do that, you'll find that the items are in black. Just click over here and then select white color, as you can see. Now it looks better. Okay, now we have successfully created our header section. Let's click update. And let's go to the dashboard. Click here. Okay, now we need to build the header section. As you can see here, to build the header section, just go to pages, to our main page, and edit with Elementor. And then create two main columns. Select the parent section, go to the height option, and then click min height. Adjust the height, as you can see, and then change the color of this section. Make it black. Okay. Now we need to actually drop our elements. Let's just go here and drop that image and then select this image, which looks better. Okay, now let's just search for heading. Okay, let's drop this widget over here. And then let's go and copy this text, this heading over here, just paste it here. Okay, now we need to actually apply this font here. Since we are not using Elementor Pro, it's not available on Elementor. So I have a solution for you. Just go to the dashboard, but first you need to actually install a font. This is the website I actually use for fonts. You can get any font over here that you want and download. And once you do, just go to appearance and go to custom fonts. And you can give a name to that font. Let's say my font name. This is the font of my, this is the name of my font. Okay, let's just go you have to upload the right file over here. You should actually find the right. Okay, let's just go. My files are actually in TTF format, so find the right format over here. Just look for TTF or WOFF or OTF or SVG, wherever you want. So I'm gonna upload this. I'm just gonna upload my font. I'm gonna upload the bold one and the regular font. Okay, let's select 700 since this font is bold. And then click add font variation. You can add another white weight for the format, let's say the tiny and the bold font. Okay, let's just click upload. This is the bold one, this is the regular. Okay, select it here. And let's say it's normal or medium. Let's say medium. Okay, once you do, just click add new font. Okay, now we have successfully created our font. Let's go here, let's click save. And let's hit refresh. Okay, just select our heading and go to font and scroll to the top, and there you go. This is our font. You can select bold. Oh, it's already bold. And you can actually set a normal. As you can see, this is the normal. And you just need to remember which number did you use. Okay, let's use the bold one. Let's increase the size. As you can see, let's give it white color. Okay, but now we need actually to make this word marked or yellow and the rest in white color. To do this, let's go and update it. We're going to use a code. Just go to the link in the description below and you will find this code. Just copy this code, and then go to your Elementor and remove from hashtag into hashtag. This is the text before the text in white. Okay, let's say best. This is the before. And between mark here, color text. Let's say, what is the color text here? It's trimmer. Let's put it here. Okay, and then let's remove this and let's put text after. And let's paste it here. Once you do that, just click update and go again to the link in the description below and select this code. And just go to the main website and click customize. Now we are going to add some CSS here. Just click add additional CSS and paste this code. Okay, here you need to add your color. Let's say the color that you want this word to be. I'm going to copy the color from here. This is the color. And let's paste it here. Click publish. And just hit refresh. We've already, don't forget to update the page. And there you go. It's now in yellow color. It's easy. Just look between the mark between these parentheses or between mark words from here to here. You can add wherever you want. And this is it. Here you can put the text after and before. It's totally easy. Okay, let's complete our section. Let's copy this random text. Go to here, drop a text editor, paste the text here, just go, put some color and adjust the font popping. Okay, just go to and drag a button here. Okay, let's copy the call to action here. Get it now. Let's copy it and then paste it here in text and go to style, and then we have to adjust the color here. Let's go to and just copy the color. Let's add the color here. And we have to assign black color to the text because it's not visible. Okay. And then we have to add some paddings over here. As you can see here, it has some paddings and border radius. The corner is rounded here, as you can see. Let's just put 20. Let's remove link. And then go to right and put 30 padding, 30 pixel padding on the right and 30 on the left. And then go to border radius and put 8. It's kind of has a lot here. So let's put 40 or 50. And let's add 50 here as well. So, and now let's just go to the section here. Let's add this curve divider. Let's go to style tab and go to shape divider, go to bottom tab and then select wave. And then you can play over here with the value that you want, or you can select any other choices here. Let's go back to wave. And let's see, it has some spaces here before. Let's add some padding. Let's select the section. Let's go to advanced. Let's put 100 top and then 100 on the bottom. And then let's see here let's see the space between the text and the outline is not the same in here. Okay, to solve this problem, let's just go to layout. And then let's go to layout and let's adjust let's adjust it here. Okay, now it looks quite the same. Okay, if you would like to actually increase the size of this image, let's just go to select this image and then go to max width and put, let's say, 1000 pixels, and you can actually add here you can assign whatever value you want from 1000 into a bottom. Okay, now we have successfully created this here section. Let's just click update. Okay, and let's see what's next. Okay, we need this information section. Okay, let's create it. Click here and then create section with 2 columns and click section. Go to height tab and minimum height, and let's say 600. And then we have to put a video first. Let's put a video here. Click on the cube tab and search for video. Okay, just drag this element over here, sticky video. Okay, and let's see what we have here. We have to add an image to this video. You can actually go to here and link any video on YouTube, or you can select self-host and select the video from the media library, but now we don't have that video. So just go to image tab. We're going to add an image overlay. Just click here and click customize, select customize, and we select any image you want, as you can see here, and go to style. You can actually adjust the colors, and I highly suggest to let it like this, quite the same. Okay, let's change this icon. Okay, to actually change the icon over here, just go to image overlay, and this is play icon. Let's click here and let's go to icon library and let's search for play and select this icon. Okay, now it looks the same. Okay, we have copied this small headline. Click this ice cube again, drag headline widget, and then paste that. Oh, we have a mistake here. And then paste the text, go to style, and then let's change the font to our font, and let's select the thinny. Okay, as you can see here. And once you do, okay, now we need to assign the color, but let's use a trick here. Let's click here and let's use this color as a global color, yellow. Let's say yellow. So now we don't need to actually copy and paste the code from time to another. Just click here, click on this, click on custom here, and let's scroll down, and there you go. This is our color. Let's click here. Let's make it a little bit darker. And then let's customize the side. Okay, now it looks better. Let's drag the heading widget again. Let's copy this text and then let's paste it here. Let's go to style and then let's change the font and let's select the black color. We need to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that one actually looks better right now. Let's drag some random text, but let's copy this text first. Go to ice cube icon, select text editor, and then paste the text here. And then let's just go to our button. Let me show you a trick here. If we are going to use the same style for the entire website, we can use a trick here. Just right click on the mouse and then click save as default and then click save. Now what's happening is whenever I drag a button, I don't have to assign a style again and again. It will be same as that style. Let's see what we have here. Let's test it. See, that's it. So we don't actually invent the wheel and try to make the style again. So let's see what we have. Looks pretty the same. Just let's make this a little bit smaller. Now it looks kind of better. Or let's make it bigger and let's add padding on the right. Let's remove this. Let's add 40 on the right to make sure that there's space between the video and the text. Okay, now let's move to this part, which is product features. As you can see here, just copy this text. Okay, now we have to actually design the second section. As you can see here, this this is product benefits. Okay, let's go and let's add first section, and then let's drag heading widget and let's center it, and then go to the link in the description below and copy this code here, text before and text after, like what we have done before. This part is for text in before, and between these span, and then you have after text. Okay, I hope you understand this. Let me explain you. This is before the affected text, which is this part, and this is after affected part. Okay, let's paste it here. This is the before, and this is after part. As you can see here, paste it, and then we have this part, which is the affected part. Okay, let's drag this, and then let's paste it here. Okay, once you do that, just adjust the color and the font. Okay, let's update and let's go and let's copy this text again. This code, sorry, let's copy this code and let's go to additional CSS and let's paste it here. And then you have to change this into your color. I've already added before here, which is the yellow color, the main color. Just click publish and hit refresh. And boom, as you can see here, it has this underline effect. Let's go and design the other part. Okay, as you can see here, we have to design these cards, the 3 cards. Let's just drop an intersection. Let's click on the first column. Let's add 20 on the padding, and then let's search for icon. Let's drop it here. Let's upload an SVG icon. As you can see here, I've already have the icons inserted, change the color of it, and then make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and then copy this text again. Just go to heading, center it, then add some color, add the font. This process is obvious. To go and copy this text and then drag text editor, paste this text, and then change the font into popping, change the color again, and then just click here on the shadow and let's paste this code. Basically, this is the color of the shadow. Here, there's some shadow here, blue, light blue shadow. Let's paste it here. And let's add some blur value here. I think it doesn't. Okay, let's add any blue effect. Okay, let's just duplicate this part. Okay, once we did that, just click on the column and let's add some 200 margin to add space between each card. And then duplicate it and remove this one and then duplicate it again. Just cool. I think let's take a look at here. It has some paddings on the top. Let's add 30. And let's make this text a little bit smaller. Okay, and then we have to change this and let's add framed icon. And let's just go to content and view and click frames, go again to style and select this secondary color into yellow, and then you can adjust the size. We are going to do the same things for these, but we are going to change the icon. Just upload it and then adjust the size. Do the same thing for that. And again, do the same things for the view. Adjust the size. Okay, now it looks so much better. Let's take a look. It has a little bit more on the padding. Let's make it 30. We'll just click here and 30 will apply in all these values on the left and top. Let's just click here and it will be 30. Okay, now I think it looks better. Okay, let's just go and adjust the content of these cards. I think the shadow is not the same here. Okay, let's copy the shadow and let's go to here, style, and select the column, style, and let's change it. And let's adjust the opacity, and now I think it looks pretty much the same. Okay, let's change it for the rest. Okay, now it looks so much better. Let's just adjust the content. Okay, now we have successfully added the content for this cards. Just let's click on this section and let's add a little bit of space between this section and the other. Now it looks pretty much cool. Let's just click update. Then let's move on to the next section. This section is for product features. Let's go and copy this heading and let's just go and copy the heading and let's create a container or a section with 3 columns. Let's select the section, go to height, minimum height, and then let's say 600. Okay, once you do that, just go to click that and drag an image, and then let's add the image here. This will be using this image and insert it. It's not pretty much the same, but it's okay. Okay, and then just click on the ice cube again and drag intersection widget. Let's remove this one. And then let's select it like this. Let's see what we have. Let's drag the heading. Let's say 1. And let's copy this text. And let's drag another heading on the underneath. And let's copy this text. Let's go and insert text editor. Let's copy this text. Okay, once we do that, just go and change the color and the fonts. And then let's center it. And then let's go and click on the number, and let's adjust the color and the font. Okay, and let's select the column. And then go to border. Let's copy the border color here. And then let's click here, go to style border, and click on box shadow. Click on the color. Let's paste it here. Let's go to blur tab and let's say 64 or just 50. Looks pretty much wider. Let's just say 20. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this number should be overlay. Let's go to advanced and margin. Click here. Let's say minus 80 or just 60 to be a little bit aligned here, as you can see. But we still need some space here. So let's go to padding and let's select, let's say 40 on the left. And then let's select the column again. And let's go to border. Let's say solid. And let's put 3 or even 4. Let's say 5 or 6. Yeah. 6 looks better. Then let's go to put this 6 on the bottom. Now it looks pretty much the same. And now we have to add the hover effect. Once you hover over this column, it becomes yellow. Okay. Let's go to background folder and then go to yellow, select yellow. Let's add transition duration. It will take 1 second to be completely applied, the hover effect. And then we forget to assign the color and the font for this text, let's say popping. And then let's add a little bit of padding. Let's add 20. And then let's center this text. Now it looks pretty much better. Just click here on this intersection and duplicate it. And then click on the second one. Click here on the advanced and margin, and let's add 60%. 60 pixel margin on the top to make some space between this part and this part. Let's just click here and copy. Let's paste it here. And then let's duplicate it again. Let's add the same value on the margin. Let's add 60. And then we need to add another one here. Let's say copy, and then, oh, we cannot. Then let's just hover over this part and click right mouse and paste. That's all you need. Okay, I think it has to add some spaces here. Let's just go and select the section. Let's add full, no, it's not full, just box, and let's adjust the width a little bit. And then click here, add some 30% padding, and then we have some space here. Now we have to adjust all the content for this features cards. Let's just copy the content here. I think now we have already completed this part successfully. Okay, this is the part that we have built here, as you can see. Just click update. Let's move to the next section here, as you can see. Let's just copy the heading and let's add new section. Let's paste this here and let's copy. Okay, let's just copy this text. Let's copy, say, products, the four texts. Okay, and then click on the section, go to height, and let's say 400. Type gallery. And then drag this widget over here. Filterable gallery. Okay, once you do that, just go to here and then over style and just go to layout and then say select and then select cards. Just go to gallery items and then remove all of them. Remove this paragraph and text as well, and go here and then select an image. Okay, and click copy. Okay, just let's change the images for the gallery. Okay, we have success. Okay, now just go and select the section. Let's add a little bit of space. Let's add 100,000. I think this is pretty much better. And then click save. Okay, now we have a gallery, and we still need to complete that testimonial section. Just copy again this heading, and let's create, or let's just duplicate this part, and let's remove this section, the gallery. Let's change this heading text. Okay, and then just go to intersection and drag it here, and then go to and search for icon and drag it here. Search for, no, go to icon library and search for quotes and insert it, and then select view and frame and stock. Let's select black color, and secondary choose what? Yellow. And then just copy the testimonial and drag some run text editor, paste it here, change the color and the font. And then click on the column, go to advanced and add 30 padding. And then we need to add this name. Go to here and drag heading widget, paste it here, center it, and then change the color and the font. And make it smaller a little bit. And then copy this little bit of text, duplicate this part, paste it here, and then select that theme one, make it a little bit smaller. Now there is a huge space between this part and this part. You can see here it looks better. Okay, just go to margin, advanced and margin. And let's say minus 20 pixels on the margin, and now it looks better. And then we need to actually add some shadows. Let's copy the shadow here. And then let's paste it here. Let's add blur into 50. Let's see what we have here. We have some border radius, let's say 15. And then click on this icon and go to margin, let's say 40, minus 40 or minus 50. And then select the entire the section. Let's add some margin on the top, let's say 50 or 70. Let's make this text a lot more bigger. Let's center it. Let's remove this part and then let's duplicate it. Let's add some margin, say 20, and then 20 here as well. Okay, I think it's pretty much the same. Looks better here. To actually make it a little bit squeezy, just adjust the width here. As you can see now, it looks pretty much the same. Now there is a huge space, I think, between this part and this part. Let's select this section and let's make it a little bit smaller since there is a large space. Click update. And then we need to actually design the call to action part. Let's just copy the call to action. And let's add the section here. Drag heading widget. And let's paste this text. Let's first add some height for the widget. Let's add some height for the section. And then let's change the color into black. Change this text color into white, and let's change the font as well, or typography. Let's center it. And then let's copy this text. Drag text editor. Paste the text here. Change it and then change the color, paint, center it. Change the typography. And then let's drag the button. Let's center it. You can actually link any action that you want or dynamic. Now we need Elementor Pro. You can actually link it to your shop or the product page. And now let's just select the entire section. And let's add a little bit of height. And then click update. And now, as you can see, we have successfully created the entire landing page for today. I hope you like this video. Okay, now we have successfully created our landing page that you can use to promote a product or service. I hope you find some valuable information in this video. If you have any web design project and you want me to be a part in, be sure to check my Upwork profile, the link in the description below. See you next time. Bye.